Hey everybody, welcome to the Super.One video. I hope you had a chance to watch the full review that we have posted on YouTube 2 weeks ago. And in this video, I would like to show you how to join Super.One and how to get a 100% bonus. Depending on when you are joining or depending on when you are watching this video, because today is April the 16th and today you get a chance to get 100% bonus if you buy credits and tokens. But if you are watching at a later point in time, you might get a lower discount. Okay, so just a short recap. Super.One is a gaming platform that will be launching this summer, and we get a chance to get in early and to get credits and tokens at a discounted price. So this is the latest PowerPoint presentation that we were able to secure. And Super.One is basically tapping into a 350 billion market, which consists of gaming and advertising, right? And you basically have a chance to play games, and this is a skilled-based gaming, right? So the more you know about a specific topic, the higher your chance to win, right? So if you're a football crack and you know all about football, right? So you get a chance to win against other players on the platform, and yeah, and make money this way. If you are an expert in cricket, you can play some games on cricket, Super Bowl. So there are many categories that you can choose from, right? Depending on your knowledge. So if you're a geography expert, right? You can play games in the geography category. If you're a football or a entertainment expert, you can play those games, right? And again, this is skill-based gaming, right? It's no gambling. And yeah, the more you know, the higher your chance to win. Um, well, so if you want to join Super.One, you will be using the Super.One website, this one right here. This is what we are using for now, but there will be an app launching on April 27, and that will enable us to manage all the transactions through the app, right? Because it requires um, a bit of cryptocurrency knowledge to join Super.One. It's not rocket science, but some people struggle with that. All you need to join Super.One is a MetaMask wallet, right? And we will discuss how to install MetaMask in a few moments. But before we get into that, I would like to show you the promotion that is out now. So if you get in on April the 16th, you get 100% on top of your purchase, right? If you get in until 26th of April, you still get 50%. And there will be no bonus after April the 27th, right? So what you basically get is, so let's say you are buying a $500 package, you will get 100,000 game credits, and you get 20,000 tokens, right? And you'll also get access to priority trading. So the exchange will open once the token price hits $1, and that's when priority users can start trading the CRX tokens. That's the name of the tokens you will be getting. Okay. Um, well, if you want to learn more about Super.One, there are daily Zoom calls, right, happening twice a day at 12 p.m. and 10 p.m. Central European Time. And here's the link: zoom.superone.com. All right. You can also join our Super.One News Telegram channel and get instant updates on everything that is happening in SuperOne. Okay, so and this is basically the promotion. So there are two big reasons to secure your package as soon as possible. So you will lock in your position on the corporate power line. So right now leaders have committed to build the power leg only, right? So we will get some massive spillover once the binary bonuses are launched, right? And we can also maximize the number of tokens from our package. So the more tokens, the bigger your slice of profits. Okay, so this is the SuperOne website that you will be using to join. And in order to join, you will basically need a MetaMask wallet. There's actually a very useful help section on the website, and that will explain how to install MetaMask on your desktop. So MetaMask is basically an Ethereum wallet that helps you interact with Ethereum blockchain enabled websites. So SuperOne is one of those websites. It's the so-called Web3 blockchain-based service, basically the next generation of worldwide web. So all you have to do is you have to install the MetaMask add-on, right? So you just go, yeah, you can actually go to metamask.io, right? And just hit download. Okay, and coming back to the instruction that you will find on Super.One. So all you have to do is click Add to Chrome, click Add Extension, and then you just copy your private key and the 12 seed words that you secure in a safe place, right? So no one has access to those 12 seed words, because as soon as someone gets access to those words, they can get access to your Ethereum. So well, you would basically treat this digital wallet like a bank account, right? If you lose your access details, you basically lose your money. Okay, so if I go back to the SuperOne website, right? Okay, let me do that quickly. Okay, and I hit join. Well, if you get your affiliate link, and if you don't have an affiliate link, you will find one below. It will direct you to the join page, right? If I click join now, it will ask me to join with MetaMask, right? I have to enter my password. So MetaMask would lock you out regularly for security reasons. Let me just enter my password right quick. Okay. So now I'm connected, I'm logged in, and it will show you all my details. This is basically the start page, Super.One/dashboard, right? And yep, so if you want to buy a spot, you just hit here, buy spots, and you choose the package you want to buy. So let me go for the 500 package. It will automatically direct me to my MetaMask wallet, and it will show me the total price, including the gas fee. Yeah, make sure you have enough Ethereum on your balance, right? If you don't know how to buy Ethereum, there's also a good instruction here on SuperOne, on the SuperOne help section. So you can buy Ethereum for Coinbase, you can use other services, right? You can use Binance, whatever. Well, if you're an experienced crypto user, you don't need that instruction anyway. But yeah, new people can easily buy Ethereum for Coinbase. That's probably the easiest, just using your credit card. Okay, so if I hit buy, right? Oh, my transaction is still pending. Let me click on MetaMask again. Yeah, so all I have to do now is just click confirm, right? So, and when I click confirm, it will tell me thank you for your purchase spot allocation in progress. Right? Uh, well, by that time, my sponsor already has received 10% 10% commission, right? Because what we have for now is, for now we get 10% from our first line, 5% from our second line, and 5% from our third line. This is explained here. Right now we have 3 levels, and the super coding bonus and binary will start 27th of April. So basically the same time the app will launch. Okay. Well, that's basically it. If you want to stay updated on Super.One, join the regular calls that are happening every day, as I explained earlier. And this is the link, zoom.super.one, and you will find the link down below as well. So yeah, and you can also get access to this presentation. That's the link. And that's basically it. All right, thanks for watching and have fun with Super.One.